Hi folks, what's up? What? Let me ask you for go with Abby. You say not go? I wanna go in Leonora by the mall in Leonora by Central Mall to buy this boba. They sell really nice boba. Let me open the car for them. So they're gonna pick style for me for car, Abby. So I just pick up the car keys. They turn them bed and I just pick up the car key and I say we go in. You see how quick he had at the window? What happened?
I never see Daddy go back here before.
She asked you what your daddy gonna take her tell she going to the back. She never see your daddy's running back. The little baby got a bike there.
Truck.
A truck. Your daddy got to get careful come drive a road.
This time nice because then they got no car coming. Kind of.
Your daddy got carried the park. The park out on the road. The China park for ride on your bike. Or your car. Here go down.
All the time.
In the back seat, watch. Me and brother back seat. Come on. So, guys, we're doing a late night shopping. Going to get some stuff at Leonora Market. We're going to get some greens, some meat, whatever we can find, right? Me and them soldiers, them this is so. Driver with taxi driver.
That's the real reason why you're going Leonora?
Oh yeah, let's switch this camera back. The number one reason, but we didn't have no plan on buying any greens. But this lady come home with a what you call this thing, a craving. Right? Remember you know that big word, right? She come home with a craving saying she want boba tea. I said, go buy the Chinese in the street and they got nice boba tea. She said not that. Nothing not is good. So we gotta go to the Leonora now. Leonora is lady back, we gotta go. What are you gonna do? I saw when a crave call for them, you gotta get it when you want, right? Because big trouble in the house. Oh, who knows? Maybe. Let me hear you.
Because of the roti, I fall in love.
Because of the roti, she get married.
He come and he cook the roti and then couple months after that he had to wear the roti.
At the married. True thing. Come on, cook roti and then wear the roti. Oh, Lord, that's true story that way. True story. So the traffic moving a little bit, but we're still there with the forest. La jealousy. I got this one here. Done here almost 7 times. Just a boba tea.
Me yarn about 20 times already.
Want sleep. I want to go walk.
And I want to walk. I want to buy a boba.
Boba, right?
Friday night, a lot of people must carry now their family. The boba place. The other one. This is the ice cream place. We're going here. Boba Fett. Right here. Right.
Which one is yours?
Let's see, I'm not sure.
This one is cookies and cream.
I thought she'd surprise me.
Not this one. That's mine.
Okay.
Which section are we? Oh, walk through here, let me go. We can pass through the fish market and then we can go in. The market need more lights, man. Need a little more lights. Done up fish at the market already, they don't play. Let me see what guy now here. How I look so sour? I ever have a TGIF? Thank God it's Friday. Yeah, fresh bowl of shrimp right here, man.
Free karas. All the time. You buy the fine man, not going yet.
Got some nice snapper over here. How is snapper going? Trigger quart. Oh, it's a by quart.
Whole one. You got 10 grand, 8 grand, this whole thing for 12 grand.
40 for 10 grand. Let me hear the price for this bang of Mary there.
10,000 about it.
Or they done fill it out already? $1,000?
Fried.
Done
Fried
fill it
meat.
out for them there. Take a big up for this auntie here hustling for a Friday night.
What fish is whole market of fish buddy?
Big up to this uncle here, yeah, always on the grind.
You always on the ride with the best smile.
Right? Papi, you like fish? You don't notice why you like fish? When you fry fish at house, this man eat
We are
non-stop.
gonna adventure.
It's a saucy layer. He said, where go?
Hello.
Where you go make with them?
This one layer, right? How much you want this?
800.
Cheap and sweet. Cheap and sweet. Can't go wrong with it too.
What you gonna do with them?
I'm going to take a pot.
Pep, no, I want if you got bunch yet or if you got I want to know what we preparing.
So best buy 4. 2 per pot, 2 curry.
How you getting by?
Yeah.
She had 5 there. She come 1, 2, 3, 4. He said 1 free. Let him put the 1 more in the bag. She said take that free by. Yeah, you. I mean, I always come by you stand.
Yeah.
Crab sell night time here too. You asking your mommy here? Make it hold them too. Make it hold it too. I got it. Hi crab. Me planet a crab. You know what hold am I? Hi. Ano nga haywa sa ye? How toy sell them?
Gavin!
The market from sea and straight to the market. From sea straight to the market. For the high water of 1,000. Thank you. Why me I come Friday market steady? I buy extra chicken, extra fish. Look at you gotta pay there. Give the uncle a Maya. Give the uncle the money. Alright. When you want to bring pick the market, you gotta expect your wallet to get empty. That's some nice greens, man. Juice up there, bye. Juice up there. Why you got juice? You got aerated today.
Hi Dion, how are you?
Hi Dion, how are you? Man.
Man.
Oh my lord, here what he got himself. You got on this line. Plantain 300 a pound. Karaila 2 pound 500. Okra 2 pound 500. The right or the wrong? The wrong. What the price? 400 a pound. What Karaila? Alright, well, I know. Okay. And the plantain 300 a pound. At least me guess that right. At least me win one number pa nila to.
This pong can like gold wow.
Well, see pumpkin got orange color, you got a little gold color, so. I best start plant your own farm. Good night. And this is the auntie with the cut up greens. What if man say at just about pumpkin, how pumpkin like a gold? 500 a bag. Over here we can buy pear. When me mommy come. 2 pound 300.
1,100.
Oh, gadoy, ladoy.
Pon dyan o, pon.
Nice. I think this is a season where a lot of foreigners coming in the country. Around this time of the year, a lot of foreigners has come. Our market is one of the main spots in this come. So these greens, the price hot. When you think President Irfan plant a farm, the greens price gonna go down by? The greens price getting competition now. Alright, I got the price on it. It's 600 for the pepper, 300 a pound for the boar. See? Tangerine, $1,000. This massy nice fat onion. The cabbage, 600 a pound. 100 for tomato, carrots 500 a pack. 300, 3 okra again 300. I remember that dollar sweetie and gata. How much I know the word gata?
Am I again?
Do you know the word gata? What should I write there?
No, I'm not fan of a
And then they have 260 a pound for the bowl, the okra here. 400 a pound for the cabbage. And if you buy 2 pound, I get 2 pound 500.
How are you?
I'm good. What we was playing for? Picnic and make.
The famous douche
Juice up, man. They're from Parika to Barbies. Let them to Linden. You know what? I heard the name of the juice that we got. Man, then they got some fancy names. That Jira.
Which one you have for Jira?
Yeah.
Why the big one? How much is it?
This is Jira. Look proper. Well
Wholesale
well and roasted. Alrighty. It's now 8:41 and all of the vendors, they're wrapping up. So go and get some rest to start back early in the morning. I must stay here. I must stay here, but I want to get some rest. I must stay here and get some rest. So we go collect back the layout and then hit the road. This girl said, "What story? Daddy, I don't like the smell."
So how is the problem?
She look at that white fall.
You like the smell?
Watch it. I want it. Watch me picnic. My daddy, yeah, hold he nose and come on the mask. Tell my daddy, I don't like the smell. See how you? How much for this chorus?
This one, Koras, 5,000.
5,000 for this chorus.
What? I saw people make it today. It's the everything.
I'm making some egg sandwiches. This is the finished product. Right now, everybody in the kitchen. We getting the bread. Up to the bread. As he come on the toast, they done.
Yeah.
Our story. So we bought the egg on the pan. We butter it with some butter. Then we sprinkle salt and a little of this smoked paprika. It works really nice. There. Put that there. Put it on your hand, girl. Put a little bit more butter up here. Okay. Put that there. I'm able to grate cheese right now, so we have some smoked Anchor cheese.
No artificial, I use.
Everything.
Honestly.
You see them?
Ada? No. What do you think there? Oh, the kernel there. Yeah.
We want to know how this sugar bar to end up to Carry this thing so. We want to know where the sugar gone. We gotta investigate. We gotta run by the camera. See what got happened there. You know you got camera recorder, you right? All in this house.
Not there.
In the kitchen. I gotta find the sugar for the sugar bar. You gotta find the camera for the sugar bar so now.
Who eat the sugary?
Who stole the sugar from the sugar bowl? Amaya stole the sugar. Right, so it's Saturday today and here's what we're up to. We're going to go and start preparing some chicken curry and some oil roti for dinner. I already cooked rice, but them kids ask for sausage and fries. So this I have a little bit of shadbeni, which is locally known as bandania. I have my blended up green seasoning right here. What's going on there with Tanisha? Tanisha, you're drinking tea now? 12 o'clock in the day, the sun blazing hot. That me picnic, right? We gotta go drink tea, hot tea in this weather. So let's go and whip up the seasoning. to start preparing this chicken curry. And yes, I am old-fashioned. I like to use these bottles because they're very comfy and they lock very tight. So here we have our curry powder. Don't want to put too much because I don't like too much curry powder in the curry. Oh, goodness. This is the masala, proper thing, on top of thing. Not too much masala either because it makes the food bitter and it makes it look too black. We have jeera. That's the boss, man. Right? That jeera go work there. We have our turmeric. I'm going to put a little bit. Curry powder that's already a turmeric, but it's nice to put a little bit extra. Here I have some wood spice. I'm going to put 2 pieces. You don't want to put it too much either and over spice the curry up. And let me just put back my containers. Also, I'm going to add the salt now to the curry. This chicken curry with some potatoes. So now that the season has been prepared, I'm going to go ahead to start cooking this chicken curry. So here what? I went to the pharmacy in Planting Rock and I saw they had a selfie stick selling. It's very long. You see how high gone? It's taller than me actually. So we're going to go ahead and put some oil into the cooking pan. I can't say kahari, this is not a kahari. Not too much oil because chicken tends to lose oil. There we go. So we have masala, jeera, curry powder, turmeric, wood spice, green seasoning that has garlic, onion, not shallot, celery, broadleaf, fine leaf, and a little bit of bandanya. And then you have to always put some cut up onion, even though onion was blended in there. So that's how we do it. And let's get going. Oh yeah, this seasoning also has ginger. A little bit of ginger blended up. Fry up the seasoning here. And you fry this up nice, let it fry a little bit. Then you dash your water inside. You know, I didn't cook oil roti in a very, very long time. Actually, since we come over this house, no oil roti and cook. So I can be the first of the person in the house with some oil roti. They are going to work. He's going to work in Echoes today. They're doing some construction work. So other than his electrical work that he does, he also has a team to do construction, tiling, mason work, carpenter, you know, construction stuff. So if you know you have a house that needs renovating, or you have your fence you want to build, you want to install AC, you want to install your electricity, right? The man beyond is the man to contact. 6217007 is his number. You want your grill work done for your veranda or your doors or your windows? Contact the man beyond this is her. Alright? He has his team. They're gonna get it done for you, and y'all know by now you should know you do proper work, right? So hit up Dion on WhatsApp 6217007, or you can call right here too. Also, if you don't have that, you can hit him up on Facebook, Dion Bissessar, DYON Bissessar. So this here done chunky, right? Time to add in the meat already washed with some lemon juice. So let's add in the meat into this chunky seasoning. Right? You're not putting the potato now. When the curry is like halfway, throw in the potato because you don't want the potato and the curry thorough will be thick. Alright guys? So we're going to turn up this baby. Let the seasoning get mixed up nice and proper with the meat. And then we're going to cover it and leave it to simmer down. The chicken is going to lose water. Right? So, me don't cook it shallow because we say onion does already do the work. Dion likes to cook it with shallow. In the meantime, this here, a bonje or bonjar, I'm going to go and start cutting up the potatoes. Right? I don't know if he's gonna come. He said he'll come home late. Probably might bring the work guys. He's working. And they're gonna need some dinner. Hence the roti. Even though we have. So I gotta put this on low heat. Right? So we gotta cover this now. And give me back splash for this thing as yet. We're working on other stuff right now, like the bathroom and the, well, we stop off on the fence. We're working on the bathroom here. So, little by little we're doing it, huh? So the cover that down there and the good ponchal, when it dry down, we're gonna throw some hot water inside and then let it boil. That's when the potato is gonna go in out, so when the water throw in. There we have it. I recently made new cameraman, more tall and she.
Oh, not me.
More tall, you wanna see that?
Very disrespectful.
See?
This is very disrespectful. This is
Check
very
the length where you go. Still up to there. So this is how the curry is shaping up here. Alright. I like the color. I like it with too black. So let me give it a turn now. See, it looks it on water. Hey girl, you gotta be right there so you watch me on YouTube. What can I have to do? Or you watch yourself? Nah. So we forget the curry there and here and we get no curry and some more. Time to go add some water. I'm gonna put hot water in it. The potato is supposed to already be in. Add hot water. Turn this up. One piece of the chicken bone up. I'm gonna put two pepper in it for boil. That you don't like though. You let it cook, and when the potato boil, then it's done. Right? What? Spoon going to fall. Brought from Northwest. Since now when the last time. Fine royal pepper. So I added the pepper inside. Let me go and cover this back. When the potato boil, it's curry done. So I bought me two shandy. I beat myself with two shandy. It's hot. I got a nice flavor. And I buy this for Tarun favorite. It's an Aryan Tarun favorite. It's my favorite too, but your hair easy. You watch TV, but your hair is tiny. Every time Tarun goes to the supermarket with me and he see the chicken, Mommy look your chicken. Ah, nice Banks Shandy boy. Boy, let me see. Proper things. So we're here sitting down, waiting for the curry to finish. And what Dion Besesar on YouTube. Man, I went to catch fish in Mashabo Creek. And then he went Stamp Island and stray. But this was a couple months back. But he left to do the editing now for the video, so he put in the video. Let me see how the curry shape up there. This is starting there, but he mouth there in the house. I'm watching the Mashaba Creek video. I'm doing well, man. Alright guys, here we go. It's done. Finish. Right? Time to go mash my roti. Alright guys, I'm gonna go and start preparing for the roti. I'm gonna mash this flour the way my mother showed me to do it one time. So she said you have to do is you take the regular Thunderbolt flour and you add a little bit of the self-rising to it, right? So let's go. So I already wiped out the basin dry. Let's get the flour in. I'm averaging this thing, but I won't be able to tell you a recipe in terms of measurement, but there we go. I cost to make enough roti. This is already my one to make enough roti one time. So that's there for that flour. Then I have the self-rising one here. I'm gonna put 2 spoons of the self-rising made Marian. Same Namilko they're from. Right? And a little bit of baking powder. Alright. Gonna mix this up nice. Let the two mix up together. Hi Mama. You okay? You sleep okay? You catch a little sleep? You want roti? I'm not even done mash them yet.
Can I mash it with you?
You want to mash them with me?
Yeah.
Now guys, I'm going to put a little bit of butter in this mixture. Mama wants to help. So she wants to put in the butter. You have to do like that until it come out the spoon. Easy, easy. Before you make it pitch out to the basin. Come, let me help you. Good. Good job. Roll. Vamos. I'm not giving you a roti, you know, man.
I want a piece then.
You want a piece?
Yeah.
Put a little bit of butter in there. Mix them up nice. And then I gotta add the water.
I want to put it in it, Mommy. I want to put it in.
But you know what I have to do?
Hmm.
I have to add a little touch of salt to this mixture. Right? A little bit of salt. So you can put a little bit of salt to me because my hand got flour, right? Put a little touch. Not so a little bit.
Like this?
Little bit more. Good girl. When your teeth show you, now it takes a little bit. When your teeth show you, now it takes a little bit. I wonder how much roti this little bit of flour will give me. Let me add some more.
I think I want chico.
Yes, Amaya. Make sure you don't go in the room with the chicken in your mouth.
Water.
Let's go. About to do something new. About to do something new. I know I can do it. Hop, skip, jumping. So we can add water into here until we get the right texture, right? I'm watching Three's Company. When I say I watch that. So I have it very sticky here. I'm going to have to add some flour to this here. This is the best way to get it. And then afterwards from here, you start adding flour until it gets dry. With this way here now, with this texture, you don't know you got it. You're getting soft roti. Right? Too much, too much. So here now, you're not harass some from here. From here now you go easy. Easy, you're mashing the flour. Get it to the dryness you wanted, the dough. The texture of the dough. See? Easy. Easy does it. Trees, companies too. Oh lord, oh this look like enough roti. Remember now, after this dough done mash, I gotta lay soak like in 5-10 minutes. Then I gotta come back and roll it out and oil it. Right? Trees company too. I reading some comments on Dion's video. And somebody commented on the video and said that I am rude to people when they ask me questions in the comment section. I know that very specific person. That person wasn't just asking questions. That person was getting very disrespectful. Right? That person's asking me about other people. Right, guys? I'm not very concerned about other people. I'm concerned about my family and what we do. What people have, other people have, or how they get it, or how they treat what they have. It's none of my business, right? Everybody have their life to live. Everybody make their own choices. Right? I cannot answer for anybody's choices. So I would like to let that person know, because I know they watch. You want to ask anything concerning us here? Ask freely. But do not ask me about anybody else. Alright? So this is a nice texture to have here, guys. Right? So this is a step by step on kneading the flour, prepping the flour for the roti. Right? It's rather heavy. So it's soft. It's not too hard. It's not too soft. So what you would normally just coat it very lightly. Press that flour in. Don't put it too thick because you're going to get a thick coating. And when you're ready to break this flour off to go and roll the roti, it's going to be, you get a cakey at the top. Right? And you get the flour, the lumpy, the flour at the top of it. But you stretch your hand. I'm not giving you any of this though.
Yes.
Right? Very nice softness. I'm going to cover this and leave it for like 10 minutes, and I'm going to come and oil it out. So I'm going to go take out some rice and curry for Amaya, because I asked her if she wanted some rice and curry, and she said yes. So she's the rice lady. I know some of you said that the rack doesn't look nice there, but it's not there to beautify the place. It's for convenience. And we still haven't made out all the other cupboards. And you know, here and all over the place and on the ground stuff, whatever. So we bought this. This is gonna be used until the cupboards are finished. Right? And we might just take it and leave it in the downstairs kitchen. So Maya is gonna work up some chicken curry and rice. She's the rice lady. When
Mommy,
she get ready, she like eat bare rice and all.
mommy, I see you. I see you.
You can see me? There we go. This is Tanisha food. Tanisha food got loud pepper inside that. Check out this papaya I have here. I got it from my neighbor. And it's sweet bad boy. Nice papaya. I don't eat a quarter. Alright, time to roll out the roti. So let's see what's happening here. Let me go here. So this is it. Not too hard, not too soft, right? It's hardly sticking on my fingers. Just dust up here a little bit. Six. Seven, 8. Right, there we go. Me and lady, me like wash hand every little thing. So bringing this camera a bit closer. And start rolling them out neatly. Take the water, no? If you want water. Sticking on my hand a little bit, so I'm going to just put a little bit of flour on top of them so you can hold on my hand when I'm ready to roll it. Stand a little enough so I can pinch off a piece from it. And put it down here.
Roti done.
Roti na done. Roti now making. Right?
Can I have a piece?
No, not right now.
Please.
Not right now.
There's a tiny piece.
Right?
Not a tiny.
Not now. Right?
Yeah. Please.
And then you put this here.
Please. Fine.
And then you roll it.
Let's go.
Roll it. Roll it. Roll. Roll it, gal. Roll it, gal. Roll. Control it, gal. Roll it, gal.
You gotta hold this thing for the baby. Because you're not sticky right now. It's mine. Hold
Stick that in there.
Wait.
And then you go and stick this in here.
Hang on. That.
Pack them good in there.
What you doing?
Pack them up good in there.
Oh, this is not spinning.
So have this foil pan here. So just rest the roti in there. Hey man, I ain't easy bad, you know. They are very noisy.
Just take one by one.
Maya, I stop tumbling, man. Roti. Good. Cut it down in the middle and start roll. Bring it around. They're not some different. They're not make one big belly and then we'll cut them. My biggest competition is my husband. I don't know what competition. We compete again, see?
By the way, folks, I'd like to give a big shout out to Mr. Videsh Prasad, who celebrated his birthday on the 17th of July. And the greetings are coming from your wife, Miss Panisha Ali. Happy birthday to Mr. Videsh Prasad, and thank you for always supporting our channel. And then we have Auntie Bebo, who would be celebrating her birthday on Monday, the 20th of July. Happy birthday to you, Auntie Bebo, and these greetings are coming from Miss Shani Khan, your daughter. Happy birthday to you.
The trick to getting your roti wrong is you gotta start really from the middle and pull and come down, right? That's the trick in getting your roti wrong. But right now I'm not focusing on getting this wrong because remember when you don't oil this gonna gotta roll, right? You gotta roll it. And then when you don't soak with the oil properly, it's not big one, right? You put on the flour. Right? I not put enough oil because I don't like it too oily. Roll it. Make sure pull it tight. Bring this over here. Push it in through there. I am blocking off here with my finger. Right. Sticking back this in here. Sticking it in. We're gonna leave this and we're gonna cook it as needed. Right? Let me get this cleaned up. So there we have it. We have 8 roti.
Look for the rock.
Rubber foot brock.
Yeah. And he loose.
How it brock?
And he loose.
Soft and nice. Huh?
He loose. Okay. Come at the pizza now. Make the pizza.
You have to give me some nice roti. Cover it up. We cover that. We're gonna leave it for like 50 minutes. Anything after 50 minutes, ready to cook. Roti. You don't want the cheese?
Yeah.
Why?
Um,
There we go. Time to start cooking.
and you love me.
I laugh you.
You love me.
I lash you.
You love me.
Can I lash you, boy?
Mommy. Mommy.
Yes, Tarun.
Me. Doesn't stop. You love me. You love me. You love me in the sun. You love me on the sun.
Let's see what's going on. Roti here. Basta baby, ang mo promoting. Alright, next one. Yeah, baby, thank you. Hindi mo realize the other light na yan. Thank you, Papa. What's going on out there? Gotta make sure the ends them cook, right? See what's going on over here now. Alright, here we go. Let me get this up more close. So there we go. Right. I'll roti. Proper thing, pantapa thing. See? We have a lot of layers. Have a lot of layers. And if you notice, the lighting is bad. If you notice, it's soft. Got a lot of layers. Nice. Alright, so one down there. That's the one in the corner. I'm gonna put back this here because I'm gonna drop the other one in here. There we go. See? Pull it down. Get this clap in this roti. Anh nhặt hón mấy. Này ra, get one mug. Try to the mug. Clap on. A roti. have shandy. You have 2 shandy may drink whole day.
I left both.
All to the halfway. Try this method here now. Leave it inside the glass. And what's funny? See the on the good. Left it in the glass and what's funny. Not bad. Let's see. We get it, man. We get it nice. Alright, one left now only. Everybody done eat. Alright, so Mark brought some feedback for me what Priya sent. So let's go. I'm gonna go try this. You probably hear on my videos that I love chai. Right? So I'm gonna try this, Priya. Thank you. Yes, my face looks very tired. It was a very, very hot day. And the chai tastes really nice. Thank you, Priya. Maya, come and eat some roti. Yes.
Mommy, no
Curry. Hurry, how the curry work? And the roti. Good, good. Coffee not allowed in the shop? Why? How come you not sell coffee? You gotta sell coffee, man. That's a big business.
Mommy.
Rhea eat rice, so she know I eat roti now. This is our home. Right now it is.
One person is limited, so I have
One I think sweet, I think sweet. Chicken, curry. I roti, love or pepper. 1, 2,
Like you high?
4 more pepper. This is the coconut roti.
How you mean?
If you didn't know,
Now you know.
tonight I know. Because roti is soft, right? Ari, you cook roti? You cook roti, Ari?
We watching Harry Potter and the Goblet of Fire, and he come and you making us set a knife in his house, eh? And stamp in front of TV.